Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. So this video, we are going to find out the stock for tomorrow and what happened that we find out some stocks by yesterday and how the stock is performed today. That is what the thing we are going to discuss in this video, and we are going to discuss about the stock for tomorrow also. And hope you are good, and a lot of thing we are doing on our YouTube channel, and you give me a lot of support. Thanks for your support for giving me on the good support. And this was the video where I'm recording. Yesterday we find out some 3 stocks. One is SBI Life, ICICI Prudential, and Dr. Reddy. These are the stocks we find out by yesterday, and how the stock is performed today, that we are going to discuss here. And this one, SBI Life. So we find out a hammer candle which is forms at the bottom. That means not this is what the bottom on based on the monthly low, the contract low. This particular August contract low, which is forms a bottom. The high of that hammer candle is 1287.55. So we are expecting the bullish continuation when it is breaks 1287.55. But what happened? The stock doesn't break the high today. So means simply no entry on this particular stocks. That was the first stock we discussed. There is no opportunity. The second stock we are focusing for a Dr. Reddy. I think my internet is slow. Let me wait. The Dr. Reddy, the second stock we are focusing is Dr. Reddy. Let's connect it again. Dr. Reddy, the second one. Let's look at the Dr. Reddy, how it is performed well today. So there is an opportunity which is present at 4104. By opening itself, it triggers your entry, and it went up near about 4147, almost 40 rupees went up. What is the beauty of this today's trade is entirely the market went higher today. Sorry, market went lower today, but this stock is performed on bullish side. That is what very important about this trade, and it is a positive day. But if you are seeing the Nifty today, it was very highly volatile today, and but finally settled by very narrow range. It was due to the expiry, and they are losing their premium, and time value of that option is going to become 0, and most of the premiums are going ATM and OTM options is 0. So while we are buying an option, we have to very careful because of time value will always plays a major role. So always focus a positional trade in monthly options, not weekly options. Weekly option is always good for a selling. So that always the premium is going down and down, and the time value decay finally wins in the market. So these are the stock. Nifty is totally. So if you are seeing on the daily chart, we are checking out, and daily it is a hanging man, and Nifty at highest level. There is a possibility where the Nifty is break down the low of low which made today. This is a hanging man. It is forms at a highest level. That is what not. I'm not talking about any scanner here. It looks like a hanging man candle, where it is forms at the highest level. Whenever this low is broken, Nifty may go down. So the level today level is very key level for a Nifty. Okay, and let's see 5-minute chart of Nifty. It is entirely down today after opening. It is a gap up opening. Can you see that there is a gap up opening in today Nifty? And let me delete this. Today is opened by gap up, and it never sustained about that first 15 minutes high. It was broken the low, and say 17,450 rupees. It fallen down to 17,160, almost 300 point down, and it finally recovered and closed near to the yesterday's close. What it means? Totally the premium which is available at 450 or 400, everything became 0 because all our ATM options is finally it became 0. And that is the main key that is happening today, that I am expected when the market is in the low, it may be recovered very fast. That and happens, and finally all the premium which gained and put side also, that has become end of the day it will become 0, right? And we'll go for a Dr. Reddy. We find out a Dr. Reddy by yesterday by hammer candle, right? So let's good works well, and this was our stop loss still, but even it may continue the trend. So someone who take position, so one or two made a trade about this strategy. I was very happy because after end of the day he was sharing the screenshot of that. So I'm very happy for that. He's sharing me the screenshot where I made 4,300 rupees profit on Dr. Reddy because of yesterday you made video. So this video gives me 4,000 rupees to one person. That was really happy, and he was thank me to end of the day I was in the profit like that. So it was giving me such a good confidence for me making those kind of videos. And thank you for your sharing your um, screenshot, because no one can share their profit screenshot, but he was sharing with me. So I hope I'm happy with that. But even a single person who makes money using this video to watching this video, it was very really great, and thankful to you. And the second stock we discussed, the third stock is ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. Yesterday we discussed. If you've not seen, just go to my yesterday's video and check it out, how the stock is we marked. That was marked around 550. It went up to 560 to almost 12 rupees is jumped, and the entry point, the lowest level, almost the stop loss is 533, almost biggest stop loss, almost 13 to 17 point stop loss, and it went up to 12 rupees. I think the exact stop loss is 17 points. So almost it generate you profit of 12 rupees today, and ending with a positive note, and it is crossed above previous recent high. So may it reaches nearby 568. If it does break the 568, even it can. But in intraday we did some profit. That was a good enough and really good. And let's check 5-minute chart. This was a 5-minute chart. So it was a gap up opening. So the first 15 minutes candle, it not broken, and after that it was triggering entry, and again it triggers back to the entry price. It was 2 or 3 times it was trading at our entry point. So there is no miss, and there is a chances of making entry is very possible on the stock. So, and finally this was working well and good. And thanks for watching this video, and keep supporting me. Thank you for your comments and support. So let's go to what are the stocks by tomorrow. We'll open our chartink.com and we'll go to search for our tomorrow scanner. What are the stocks we got it? Oh my god, we don't get any stocks. Coromandel is the only stock which forms a hammer candle and also be a doji at bottom. Only one. Let's go to check Coromandel. Tomorrow's stocks is a Coromandel, but it was a liquid, not a liquid stock. It was not a good liquid stock for intraday trading, but it may be a positional, it may work, right? It is a doji, hammer, doji, whatever the thing which is forms at the monthly low, and we find out the entry level 1043, 1011. So almost 32 point is the risk for the trade. Once it is broken from this level, we can expect this stock may move upwards. And another important thing, this stock already in rallied, so it was a struggle in the highest level. May this also be the key level. If it is goes down, it may reverse back also. So these are the key stocks for tomorrow. We find out only one Coromandel. So I'm not interested to do the trade in Coromandel because it is illiquid for intraday, but positional you can go for it. But option trading also it's not good for Coromandel because it is illiquid and option prices are not liquid. So we cannot try to trade in options in the Coromandel. So lot of stock daily spinning top. So spinning top is the double-sided candle, but whether it is forms a highest level or lowest level, that we have to. So but by mainly focusing, so how many stocks? So lot of stock which forms a spinning top because of market fallen down very fast and recovered and closed by near to the opening price or closing price of previous day. So forms a hammer or doji kind of candle. So that was a lot of stocks which forms such a pattern, but I'm not interested to focus on the spinning top and other kind of candles. So let's go back to some other scanner. We'll go to find out double candle reversal pattern. That is also be a and bearish engulfing white inside of. So bullish engulfing loop in UPL, pricing line loop in UPL. So both are good, loop in and UPL. Let's go to check is there any opportunity on loop in. Oh, it's not good. I think yesterday is the earning and today it jumps over, gap down and it moves higher. from 611 to 659. Not good to trade or not good to focus tomorrow. On the next stock is UBL, United Beverages Limited. Maybe good, but the risk is big because today it forms a open low, and after a big down, almost consecutive, almost 2, 4, 6, 8 days consecutive down, there may be a reversal at this bottom. So we can focus this as an entry point and this as a stop loss. Exactly what was the entry and stop loss for the trade is big stop loss 1572, 1627. So once the stock can break this 1627, we can expect upside. The stop loss for the trade is 1572. We can keep as a stop loss for this trade. So another good opportunity. This was a good opportunity. It forms a strength with the opening low, and it started moving higher, and it is a technical gap down also. From yesterday's low, it opened lower than that, and it was moving good. So that is what another big opportunity on the stock. On positional basis, I'm not talking about intraday, but tomorrow you can focus is for this stocks. And dark cloud cover, torrent power, bank nifty, Hindu hotel. Let's go to check about bank nifty. It wasn't the scanner. Not good. And go for continuation pattern. Is there any good stock for finding out a continuation pattern? Tata Consume separating line, rising 3, not good. So only few stocks. One is that Coromandel, and the second one is this one. The second stock is UBL. So these two we can focus for tomorrow. Is there any opportunity? You can try. And thanks for watching this video. And if you have any questions or a comment about this video, you can comment on the comment box. If you like this video, just hit the like button and share to your friends. If you have any questions, you just comment. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video, and keep supporting me. Thank you so much.